What's Gucci YouTube? It's your boy Young Kiwi, man. Welcome to the tutorial. Before I start the video, man, hit the like button, hit the sub button, man. So let's get in the video, man. Today, man, we're making Splurge type beat. You know what I'm saying, man? Splurge type beat is really simple, basic as fuck. You know what I'm saying? So you need a little 808s. Just get the 808s, clap. Any 808s, any clap that you like, you know what I'm saying? That will work too as well. So okay, so the hi-hats are really simple, man. On 2-step. The clap. You know what I'm saying? The clap. And just get a basic drum pattern, you know what I'm saying? It's easy. And another trick to make it 808s a little harder, you want to reverse it, neutralize it. Yeah, that shit. Okay, you see the hi-hats now. Really simple, man. You just need 3/4 instruments. Man, I can get a if you want to be fancy or anything, you can get like a open hat. You know what I'm saying? Really basic, man. I guess I just throw my tag in there too as well.
Kiwi.
Don't forget to like, man. Hit the sub button, man. But look though, before I finish it, always do this. I'm gonna show you a little trick, y'all boys. Make sure to always okay, so alright. Always, I don't know why everyone do this now these days, but always these short, I said shit fucking wrong, but you know what I meant to say. Distort your 808s, my nigga. So, really simple. I guess it just give it a little flavor, you know what I'm saying? So, it would sound like this.
Kiwi.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Really simple, man. So now I'm gonna map it. Really simple. I'm gonna map it for you guys, man. Gonna map it. Really simple. I don't even need to use a kick either way. Doesn't matter. So you map that bitch. Map it how long you guys want to map it, you know what I'm saying? I usually start off with the hi-hat. That's how this beat usually start off. Put my tag in there.
Kiwi.
You know what I'm saying? Simple beat, man. Really simple, man. Splurge type beat's really simple. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Hit the sub button and comment below and let me know which artist you want me to do another one on. You know what I'm saying, man? It's your boy Young Kiwi, man. I'm out.